Peace and blessings be upon you. Today, our kids can get to Quran apps and lessons from anywhere. That's a real gift from God. But as we start using these tools, we have to ask, can computers ever replace the human touch when we're trying to learn about our faith? For hundreds of years, our religion has been passed down from one person to another, not just through facts, but through guidance and good examples. When we give our kids a tablet to learn the Quran, we need to think about what we might gain and what we might lose. It's super easy to use an app, no doubt about it. But an app can't see if a child is confused or say a special prayer just for them. This isn't about saying no to technology. It's about knowing where it fits in. We're the first ones to deal with this new situation, and we need to do it smartly. Let's make sure that being convenient doesn't push aside the really important human connection between a teacher and a student. This connection is how real knowledge and spiritual growth are passed on. Let's talk about this special bond together. In Islam, the relationship between a student and teacher is very special. It's like a living chain that goes all the way back to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Sitting with a teacher connects us to this history, not just with facts, but with good character and smart ideas. The Prophet said, "Scholars are like the heirs of the prophets." This is a spiritual inheritance, passed on through people talking to each other. Great scholars like Imam Malik taught not just facts, but also good manners and character. A teacher is a living example, inspiring students beyond what's written in books. An app can teach rules, but a teacher shows the beauty of being focused in prayer. The Quran was first given to the Prophet's heart, then he taught it and lived by it with his friends. Being together, that's what changes your soul in ways no digital tool can. When we are around good people, our faith gets stronger and our character gets better. A true teacher helps your soul grow, encourages you, and celebrates your progress. They become a mentor and a guide on the path to God. This relationship is how Islamic education truly changes you. It shapes not just your mind, but your whole self. Technology brings amazing benefits to learning about Islam. AI apps can help you memorize, give you instant feedback, and let you get knowledge from all over the world. For people who don't have local scholars, these tools are a lifesaver. But technology can't help you purify your soul or tell if a student is struggling. It can't offer a comforting word or adjust to how a student is feeling spiritually. Information can be sent, but wisdom, understanding, and spiritual warmth cannot. What's missing in online learning is spiritual guidance. A teacher shows what the Quran means by being patient and kind. Technology should be a helpful assistant, not a replacement. Only a human guide can connect heart to heart, sharing the light of knowledge. Relying too much on screens can make us feel alone emotionally and socially. Islamic learning has always been about community. Study groups build friendships, give us motivation, and create a shared purpose. If kids are alone with a screen, they lose this important community. Being alone can make you lose motivation and hurt your social growth. A classroom teaches patience, understanding, and respect, things no app can give. Without real-life interaction, we might raise a generation that knows a lot from books but lacks good character. Having teachers and friends around is something you can't replace. Teachers guide how people interact, turning problems into lessons about forgiveness. True learning helps you gain both knowledge and a kind heart. The way forward isn't to say no to technology, but to use it wisely. Let apps help with learning, but let teachers stay at the center of the journey. Encourage kids to use digital tools, but make sure they go to real study groups and get personal guidance. Add technology into a complete system where human connection comes first. Technology should serve us, not control us. This balance gives our children both modern tools and timeless wisdom. Value and support our teachers and local centers. They offer blessings no computer program can match. What have been your experiences with AI and Islamic learning? Share your thoughts below.
Yeah.